Hi, today we are going to talk about 7.2 photoelectric effect. Hopefully at the end of the lesson, students would be able to explain what is photoelectric effect. So what is photoelectric effect? Photoelectric effect refers to the emissions of electron from a metal surface in response to incident light at a certain frequency. So what you can see right here is a metal. So when light strikes the surface of the metal, the energy contained within the incident light is absorbed by the electron within the metal. This giving the electron sufficient energy to be knocked out or emitted from the surface of the metal. A material that can exhibit the photoelectric effect is said to be photoemissive. And the electrons ejected by the photoelectric effect are called photoelectrons. Einstein in 1905 proposed that the incident light consisted of individual quanta called photons that interacted with the electron in the metal like discrete particle rather than as continuous wave. For a given frequency or color of the incident radiation, each photon carries the energy E equals to hf, where h is the Planck constant and f is the frequency. Albert Einstein was honored with the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 for successfully explaining the photoelectric effect. Next, we're going to study photoelectric effect. The characteristic of photoelectric effect can be studied by arranging a photocell in the circuit as shown. The photoelectric cell, also known as phototube, is an electron tube in which the electron initiate an electric current originated by photoelectric emission. A photocell consists of a cathode, coated with a photosensitive material and an anode. Photocells are either vacuum or filled with then inert gas at low pressure to achieve greater sensitivity. Next, let's just look at a simulation on photoelectric effect. So what you can see right here is when a light sensitive metal surface or cathode is illuminated with a certain light beam or light source. So the electron will be emitted from the metal surface. So for this purpose of the simulation, we are using sodium. So what you can see right here, the electron will be emitted from the metal surface. So these electrons are called photoelectrons. Okay, then next what happens is the emitted photoelectron are attracted to the anode, which has a positive potential. So the movement of the photoelectron from the cathode to the anode produces a current inside the circuit. The movement of the photoelectron from the cathode to the anode produces a current inside the circuit. So the milliammeter will show the value of the current. So as a conclusion, what we can say about photoelectric effect is photoelectric effect refers to the emission of electron from a metal surface in response to incident light at a certain frequency. And the characteristic of the photoelectric effect can be studied by arranging a photocell in the circuit as shown right here. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for listening.